From chatbots to personalized advertising, AI is everywhere and steadily gaining momentum. Even within the crypto world, artificial intelligence is making strides. Recently, Binance introduced an interactive AI-driven chatbot. It works similarly to ChatGPT, with the distinction that users can exclusively access information from Binance Academy. So if AI has already made its mark at Binance, it's definitely time to explore AI crypto projects. Because if we look at the top performers from the past cycles, we can see a clear pattern. Those who invested early in narratives like gaming or the metaverse were able to realize substantial profits. It always works like this, also in stocks. And to be honest, it appears that artificial intelligence could become one of, if not the narrative of the current cycle. Now, it must also be acknowledged that the crypto market, and thus many of the current largest AI coins, have already gained a significant amount of value since the beginning of the year, and in some instances, they have seen substantial growth. That's why today we're going to explore a very new and relatively unknown AI project that might have great potential. Before we get started with the video, we want to emphasize that this is not financial advice. Always make sure to do your own research and form your own opinion. yPredict wants to develop an all-in-one ecosystem for artificial intelligence, primarily benefiting developers, analysts, and especially investors. And in order to drive this project forward, they claim to have top 1% analysts, quants, and developers well-positioned to get it off the ground. And this can be seen, among other things, in their product range, which clearly sets them apart from the competition. yPredict is developing on a variety of AI-based analysis tools that tries to calculate the most probable and accurate predictions possible based on vast amounts of data. The in-house algorithm for recognizing potential chart patterns has even been submitted for patent approval. This algorithm employs artificial intelligence to identify hundreds of patterns while assessing their probabilities based on historical data. Once a potentially profitable pattern emerges, users receive real-time notifications. In order to make this possible and potentially even reliable, the AI has access to billions of data points for analyzing sentiment, volume, liquidity, and other factors, and enabling it to draw comprehensible conclusions. yPredict can also be used to test technical indicators and tools for profitability. Additionally, some parts of the analysis will even be free of charge indefinitely. This is because the company relies on a freemium model with 3 different tiers: free, active, and pro trader. Those seeking complete access to the AI-based analytics can purchase access with the native yPredict token. They also want to connect top experts in analytics and AI so they can develop their own profitable indicators and models and make them available for purchase on the yPredict marketplace for a 20% fee to all users. 70% goes to the developers and the remaining 10% goes to yPred token holders. While many cryptocurrency trading platforms offer standard order execution features, they often provide rather basic infrastructure and features that may not be suitable for yPredict's AI tool. That is why the company is dedicated to developing and offering the necessary software. Their primary focus is on speed, a variety of order types, and seamlessness. In addition, special charts were developed that harmonize perfectly with the yPredict analytics and marketplace modules of the project. The native yPred token powers the platform. Since it's built on the Polygon blockchain, you benefit from cheap and fast transactions. For us, it's always important that projects have passed a security audit and KYC checks. And this is true for yPredict. They have been audited by Coinsult to address any security vulnerabilities or concerns. The results, as well as all other detailed information, can be found in the project's white paper. The yPred token serves as a standard payment method, enabling you to purchase all premium offers with associated benefits. Moreover, if you have invested a certain amount, you gain free lifetime access to basic analyses and models. But that's not all. Owning tokens can also prove highly when staking them, as 10% of the revenue is supposed to be returned to the staking pool. According to yPredict, this can result in returns of at least 45% per quarter. The project aims for a maximum of 100 million tokens and expects a market cap of around $6.5 million at launch, assuming the presale sells out, which we have no doubt about, but more about the presale in a bit. So from a purely theoretical perspective, if the project can establish itself as one of the leading AI crypto projects, there's significant upside potential ahead. In comparison, the largest AI coins currently have a market cap of around $750 million, and the crypto market is trading well below its all-time high. Since the project is still in its pre-sale phase, most of the features are still under development. Nevertheless, as evident from the roadmap, the team is working at full speed to release the yPredict analysis tools in the upcoming weeks and months. Simultaneously, they are preparing everything for the token launch in early 2024. Looking at their roadmap, it's no wonder that they've set big milestones, including onboarding 1 million platform users and achieving a market cap of $100 million within a year. By coming across the project very early, we have the opportunity to buy them yPred at pre-sale prices. We are now already in the 7th phase of the pre-sale, where a token is issued for 10 cents. The listing price is expected to be 20% higher, at least according to the project's website. Keep in mind that this may change in the future, so make sure your investment decisions are not solely based on this factor. Tokenomics strongly prioritize community and project development. A significant 80% of the supply will be allocated to participants during the current presale phase. To mitigate the risk of a sudden sell-off right after the presale, a 6-week lock and 6-month vesting period will be implemented. If you're convinced of the project and wish to purchase yPred token, you can easily participate in the presale by following these steps. First, navigate to the presale widget on the official website. As you can see, one yPred token currently costs 10 cents. By the way, you can always check the current status of the presale here by yourself. As of now, yPredict has raised approximately $4.2 million through the presale. Once you've found the presale widget, the next step is to ensure that your wallet is ready to use. If you don't have a wallet yet, or if you're unsure how to send cryptos to it, you can check out our website. We've provided step-by-step instructions there. To purchase yPred, you will need USDT, BNB, Matic, or ETH. Alternatively, you can also acquire the tokens with a credit card. In the final step, you only have to connect your wallet and select how many coins you wish to exchange. Your purchased tokens will be unlocked once the presale concludes. What are your thoughts? Do you believe this AI crypto project has potential? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to not miss out on any future videos.